I've been a wild rover for many years, and I spent all my money on whiskey and beer. Now I'm returning with gold and great store, and I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's now, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more.
I went into an alehouse I used to frequent, and I told the landlady me money was spent. I asked her for credit, she answered me nay. That custom as yours I can have any day.
And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more.
I took out of me pocket 10 sovereigns bright, and the landlady's eyes opened wide with delight. She said, I have whiskey and wine of the best, and the words that he had told me were only in jest.
And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more.
I'll go home to me parents, confess what I've done. I'll ask them to pardon their prodigal son. And when they caress me as oft times before, I never will play the wild rover no more. And it's
No, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more. And it's no, nay, never, no, nay, never, no more will I play the wild rover, no, never, no more.
Well, I got married in 1963, and I went to live in, well, that is, my wife and I, she came with me. We went to live in a part of Dublin known as Upper Bagot Street. And there were a lot of queer hawks living there at the time. And some of them went on to be very famous queer hawks, as it happens. One of them being one of Ireland's leading poets, a man called Patrick Kavanagh. Now, I got to know Paddy fairly well due to our comings and goings in the local establishments that sold drink. And one day, Paddy met a late lamented great friend and colleague of ours, Luke Kelly, the Lord have mercy on him. And he met him in, of all places, a pub. And he said to Luke, he said, would you not sing my song, Luke? And Luke said, what song is that, Paddy? And he said, Raglan Road. And Luke sang probably the definitive version of this song, but we're going to sing it in memory of the late lamented and loved Luke.